Today, I can say very proudly, India is having so many advantages. I came to Singapore this time to straighten the record also. Recently, we had even government of Singapore, they had some unpleasant things. For all these things, it is my duty to come here to straighten the record with government of Singapore. I am very happy. Today I met minister. Even I used to quote always. I try to collect some information sometimes. People are saying Singapore integrity is very high. There is no corruption. I challenge my people also. I want to test it. Even taxi driver you offer tip, they won't take in Singapore. That is the integrity of Singapore nation. I really appreciate. That is where I am admiring this country. Small island. If you say today, any best practices are all coming from Singapore. Even not now, 1995, when I became first time chief minister, at that time I promoted technology in a big way, IT. Even Singapore used to promote technology, and then with Singapore in high-tech city, some developments we have done. And also I requested at the time to build one city in Singapore, in Hyderabad, near Uppal. Government of Singapore has built, their companies has built Singapore township itself. That is the credibility. Again, when 2014 elections, bifurcation has happened in Andhra Pradesh. I was the long tenure chief minister at that time, 9 years chief minister combined state, that is the record. 10 years opposition leader, state was bifurcated. Then we didn't have any capital. I promised to the people, I am going to build city just like Singapore. That is my commitment. I will build it. That is what I promised.